Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff. Today is Monday, November 19th of 2018. A couple of announcements for today. Boys and girls, just a reminder that this week is Thanksgiving, so you only have school today and Tuesday. There is no school on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, so please make sure you remind your parents about that. Also, remind your parents about PTCO Butter Braid Pickup, which is happening tomorrow on Tuesday at 2:05 at dismissal. So if your parents ordered anything for a PTO Butter Braid fundraiser, that would be the time to pick it up. For our November birthdays, we have two birthdays to announce. So we have Milo Bunton's birthday and also Noah Phillips' birthday. So happy birthday to both of you. For our lunch choices today, we have crispy oven baked drumstick, barbecue rib sandwich, or Peppy pizza salad. And at this time, boys and girls thought today would be a great day to make sure that we're preparing for the weather. So we're making sure that we're showing respect and that we're ready to go outside. So we have some suggestions here from our boys and girls to talk about that today.
Okay, boys and girls, today we thought we would talk about for our pause to make sure that we have all of our winter gear when we go outside for recess.
Call in snow pant. If you want to go in the snow, make sure you wear all your stuff. Make sure you keep track of your stuff.
Okay, those are all great things. So boys and girls, when it is colder outside, please make sure you know where all your stuff is at. And if you brought it to school, you should be wearing it for that day.
Thank you, boys and girls. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge Allegiance, so please make sure that you're standing. I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. I appreciate that. All right, boys and girls, today is Monday. Let's go out there. Let's have a great day. It's a short week, so let's make each day count. So hopefully all of you make great choices today. I look forward to seeing all of you in just a couple of minutes.